Hi, today we're gonna make the most famous Kerala dish, which is fish molly, which normally Kerala people used to eat with what do you call appam, idiyappam. Even it goes well with the rice as well. It's basically they use for the breakfast mainly. So let's see what are the ingredients required for the fish molly. uh, it's garlic ginger chop, then just a small piece of cinnamon, cardamom, curry leaf. It's a green chili. I have taken it a lot because I like spicy, but you can just make 3 or 4 pieces actually. Then one big onion which is sliced. Basically it doesn't require much of the what you call powders. It's just this is the pepper powder, and this is turmeric and salt. That's it. And you can see 3 bowls here. This is one is the coconut milk, which is added with water. Normally in Kerala what people do is like we will grind the coconut and we will uh, put hot water and we'll squeeze it and take the water of it. That is the first milk we call. That is this one. I mean, this is packet coconut milk. So I've just put this is not mixed with water. This all is mixed with water. Later I will show you how it is being cooked during the making of fish molly. Okay, so the first and foremost thing we need to do is to marinate the fish. Okay, so I have taken bawal, which is the pomfret, because I like bawal. So you can go this with any fish which got flesh. That means tuna, kingfish, the tangri. These are all is suitable for fish molly, but I have taken here pomfret. So let's marinate it. First you need to put the turmeric powder, then pepper you can use as per your spiciness. If you're giving for the kids, just use less. Then of course salt, then you need to squeeze lemon, then you mix it well. Better use hand so that you can make sure the fish is really mixed. And you need to keep this as a at least for 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then only it will be like all the peppers, what you call turmeric, all is been nicely been added to the fish, so then it will give good taste. So what normally I do is like before I cutting all the ginger, garlic, all I will marinate and keep it. Okay, so just keep this aside for the 30 minutes. Okay, now it's more than 30 minutes. So we will fry the fish. So always make sure you fry the fish in medium flame, and you don't need to deep fry or fry it very hard. It's just the shallow fry. Basically you just have to fry for 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes per side lah. So I'm frying the fish now. So I have turned it already. So you can see this should be the color of the fish after you fry. So you don't make it deep fry, then the taste won't be there. And the reason why we fry it is also is like when we put it in the fish molly, it will decay. So that's the reason we don't want it to be the fish will be break into small pieces and won't look nice and won't be tastier. So it's always good that if we fry it. And there is some people who always make without frying the fish also, but again I really don't like it. I always prefer to be fried. Okay, now we're gonna make the fish molly. So I'm using a mud pot here because it is always very tasty when you make in a mud pot. But you can use it any pan you want. So I have added the cardamom and cinnamon. After that I'm adding ginger garlic. So just fry it for a few seconds. Then you need to add the green chilies. As I said before, green chilies you can change according to your preference. Okay, if you're giving for the kids, just add 2 or 3 pieces. It's more than enough. Then add the curry leaf. Then add the onions. As I said, just one big onion is more than enough. Okay, the onions are almost done, so you don't have to fry it till it is very brown. So now what we will do is like we need to add turmeric powder, pepper powder. So as I said before, a pepper powder you can add as per your preference. Okay, if don't want much spicy, you don't have to add a lot of pepper powder, just add a bit. A pinch is enough. And you just fry it. One more thing I forgot to tell you is tomatoes. You need to add 1 tomato because you want to get that bit of sour taste. If you want, you can add the lemon juice at the last, but we all prefer tomato. Okay, now is the most important part. Add the coconut milk, which is added with the water one. Okay, not the first milk, not the thick one. Okay. Now just allow it to boil. When you are allowing it to boil, add the salt. The salt you can even test it at the last whether it is okay, then you can add more. So because we have added salt to the fish as well, so we need to be careful on that one. So now it started boiling, so we have to start putting the fish. Okay, so just put it one by one. Then again let it boil for at least 5 minutes. Okay, it's 5 minutes now. Also I have a suggestion. If you all can get the medium side pomfret, the white color one, it will be good lah, so you don't have to cut and make it to small piece and do. It's always good if you do with the medium size pomfret. Okay, so all done. We are going to pour the first milk, so called the creamy one, the thick one. Okay, once we pour this, don't allow it to boil like how it was boiling just now. Just mix it. Okay, make it to medium flame, and just put this. I didn't mention in the first, a bit of garam masala at the last. That's all. It's done. Okay, then you can off it. Okay, just put a coconut curry leaf for the garnish purpose. That's also the fish molly is ready. So okay, all can try and see how is it. Okay, bye bye.